early hours of the early hours of day 5. Fucking fever is back again. Sorry, I didn't want to swear. It's like being in a waking dream. Been awake since 1 o'clock, so 3 hours. But I don't know what to do with myself. I want you to understand this shit. Because if your whole family comes down with it, there's no one looking after your kids. If your business comes down with it all at the same time, you're all off. You're closed. Take it seriously. I'm 49. I eat healthy. I swim every day. I've got good lungs. It hurts, it really does. Headache won't go away. Yeah. Take care, people. Listen to what they're telling you. Get off the streets. I got. Yeah. I go walking, fairly solitary. And work. Not many of us there.